Hello, everybody. It's me, Viva. You might ask yourself, why do they do it then? For content, for a new storyline, for inspiration, for, I don't know, maybe they're writing something, a play, a novel, a movie, and they need content. And what better way than to get it in real life? So they start to have these little things going on to see how they can implement it or which ones they like the best that they will implement, or what storyline would better suit the audience or touch a nerve or actually feel plausible. Isn't that what it's all about? And with that, I say, toodaloo, babe.